QR codes are a great way to market your business, get more leads, and even use it for flyers or on your website, wherever you want, right? Now, today, I'm going to show you how you can use GoHighLevel to create QR codes without having to sign up for any extra softwares. And by the way, if you haven't got started yet with GoHighLevel, I will leave a link in the description down below where you can start an extended 30-day free trial. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So once you have logged into your GoHighLevel account, then you want to come here to sites, and then after that come here to QR codes. And here you are going to be able to set up as many QR codes as you want for your business, all leading to different actions. So you just click here on create QR code, and then after that you can select what type of QR code you want, and you can also name it right here. So I'm just going to name this one test, and I will quickly walk you through all the different types that you can do. So you can do one that links people directly to a website. Once they scan it, you can get them to a review link. So if you want to collect more reviews for your business, let's say on your Google page, you could just make a review link, put it in your actual physical location, and get people to scan that and leave a review right there. You can also do a call one. So if they scan it, they can easily call up a specific number without having to type it into their phone. You can do the same thing with SMS, one that prompts you for an email. You can even do it for a payment. So if you want to get people directly to a checkout page, you can select the payment type. You can do a WhatsApp one. You can take them to a specific funnel in your GoHighLevel account. You can get them to form, right? So they can go through the whole form, fill it out, and submit it. Same thing with the surveys. You can also do a quiz as well. You can do a profile card. You can do a V card and a business card. So they have so many different types of QR codes that you can create directly within GoHighLevel. Just to show you the profile card, this is kind of how it looks. So you can put in your phone number, email address, website, location, your name and company, and also different social media accounts, which they can tap, and then it will open it up immediately in a new tab. This is how the V card looks. So it's kind of similar to that, just a bit simplified. And this is how the business card looks. And yeah, these are kind of just like these templates that you can customize. But let me just do a very simple one, which is what a lot of people would do, which is the website one. But all of them are customizable the same way. So the process of how you set up the QR code and check how many people scanned it is the exact same. So let's just do a website one. So you click here on the selected QR code type that you want to go with, click on next, and then after that you submit, in this case, because we are trying to get people to a website, you just submit the actual URL that you want to get people to. So I'm just going to do peakzone.co. After that, I'm just going to click here on next. Then you can customize how your QR code looks even further. So you can set here the background color, and you will see it updates it live. Now I'm just going to probably leave most of these settings on the basic default settings because I think that's how it looks the cleanest. But yeah, you can also set the dots color right here if you want to, right? So you can make it really nice and custom. You can change the border color as well. You can change also the center color, right? So that's how that looks, to any color that you want actually. Then we have shape and form. So here you can choose the QR code shape. These are the different ones that you can choose from. They even have this circular one, which you don't see too often. So I think this is pretty unique and cool. I'm just going to go with the regular classic one. Then you can choose from the dots. So you can have these different designs, whichever one goes best with your brand. The functionality of the QR code is going to stay the same regardless. So I'm just going to go with this more futuristic one. You can change the center, right, to be either a circle or to be rectangle. So I'm going to go with the rectangle. You also have frame. So you can choose none. You can choose a border, or you can choose the frame, which is just a thicker version. I will go with none. Then you can also upload a logo in the middle. So you can either use your own logo and upload it right here as a file. You want to choose a PNG or SVG so it doesn't have the background, or you can choose let's say if you just were putting people to a Google review site, you could just put Google in there, or if you're taking them to WhatsApp, you can put the WhatsApp logo, and it will make it very self-explanatory and easy to understand. And then additionally, money. You know, they have also these other ones as well, you know, for payments. So yeah, I'm just going to go with Google in this case. And then we have page background. So here, if you wanted to, you could upload whatever image that you want to use as the background of it. I'm just going to choose a random one. So I'm just going to use this one, and then you can see it adds that to the background. You can change the transparency of it. Obviously, I don't want to have this image there, so I will remove it, but you could add that if you wanted to. And then we have this one as well, which is rim content. So here you can just put a header text if you wanted to, so it will be on top of it. You can choose the font for that out of all of these different font types. You can also add a footer text, so let's say scan me, right? And then it automatically adds it in there, so it's like super easy. You don't even need to take your QR code and put it into Canva to add the text. You can just add it right here, which is very convenient. Then once you have these, you can either save this as a link, you can download it as either a PNG, SVG, or PDF file. And yeah, I'm just going to download it as a PNG, for example. Then we can save it. And the cool thing is now we have this QR code here. If I wanted to, I could actually see the analytics behind this. If I'm going to scan this QR code that I just created, it should show right here how many times this QR code was scanned on any given day. So if you are using this to market your business with flyers, for example, you know, this is great because you can see how effective those flyers are. Or if you put this up on a billboard or you wrap a car with it, you know, you can see how many people are actually scanning it every single day. So let me just go ahead and scan this new QR code that I just created. So I have it right here. I'm just going to scan it with my phone. Boom. As you can see, now it's opening up the website for it. But yeah, you can see it took people to that exact site that I wanted the QR code to. So again, super easy to use. Let me just do that process again so you can see it. Scanning it right now from the phone with the camera, and then it loads up that page immediately. And now if we go ahead and refresh this, it might take a little bit of time to see the amount of scans, but yeah, you can see it immediately logged it, and we have 2 unique QR code scans for this day. So that's pretty cool. Like, it's so easy to track it, and you could even, you know, look at it by QR code. So if you have, let's say, 10 different QR codes that you are using for different purposes, one for reviews, one for payments, whatever it is, you can just select the specific QR code you want to see the analytics of here and go like that. And if I wanted to, of course, I can also embed this to a site. So I'm just going to go to one of my random funnels right here. Let's just say I will go to this one. Okay, this actually doesn't have anything built out on it, so just keep that in mind. But I will show you how to add it to a website super easily. So you would just go into your website or funnel, whatever it is that you want to do. Then you can just click here and then click on image. So I'll just add a new image right here. I will go ahead, upload my new QR code, click here, upload file, boom, there you go. Now it's uploading my QR code. Then I can just copy this, insert media, and just like that, I was able to add it onto my site super easily. I could change the size of it here, but yeah, now will be, if I publish this, it will be appearing on my actual site and people can start scanning it. Or you could print this out, put it on a car wrap, put it on a billboard, whatever it is that you want. You can actually even get just a straight link. So if you want to link people to this with a button, then you can just choose the button, and then for the actual, you know, place where it's taking people, you could just change this here to website URL, and then here for the website you would just take the link of the QR code that you just created. So if I come back here, you can see I have copy link. So this link now would actually take people to that same place, and it would register it in the QR code analytics. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a very quick one, but it's something that a lot of people will find useful for sure. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to check out some of the other GoHighLevel tutorials that I have on this channel as well. And if you haven't got GoHighLevel yet, start your free 30-day trial in the description down below. It's an amazing tool for small and medium-sized businesses. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.